Morning. Good morning, all. Today, this is not really going to be a doing video today, but I thought I'd take you along for the ride because it is a good day for Trixie. We are going to take Trixie to have some windows fitted. Now she's having one put in the sliding door and the opposite panel from the sliding door. So just sort of the two front halves, the back panels are staying fully insulated for heat. They're already carpeted and ply lined anyway, so I want them to stay as they are. But yeah, come along with us for the drive. I'll show you the before now. We'll go to the window place. I'll see if they can take some pictures for me during, and then I'll show you the afterwards. This one is coming off. All that. Gonna be a window soon, and I'm gonna get some of those B-pillar decals. And this one's coming off too. Annoyingly, both of those panels are probably in the best condition of any panels on the van. So rust-wise and condition-wise, they're both very good. Somebody's just started bringing the bin in. That's good sound for the video. But anyway, let's make tracks. Don't think I actually told you where I was going for the windows fitting. So I'm at a place in Castleford in West Yorkshire. Got hair on my hat there. Yeah, I'm at a place in Castleford in Whitwood called Van Windows Specialist. I think their website is like Van Windows Direct or something like that. And the deal that they had on for both windows fitted was ridiculous. It was like 280 quid for two privacy glass windows with fitting, all in. Like nothing extra. So let's get it dropped off. Yeah, these are the guys. Van Window Specialist Limited, Whitwood Enterprise Park, Castleford. Right, we picked her back up. Now we have windows. Take a look at this. I love them. Now, I went for the ones that are sort of edgeless. Could get some that had like a rubber beading around them, but I just thought they looked a bit more modern. I'm super happy. So, there we have it. I have windows on the sliding door and the panel opposite the sliding door. I just want to say a massive thank you to the guys and gals at Van Window Specialists. They were absolutely brilliant. A guy called Lee who I dealt with, one of the fitters called Jordan, and I spoke to Carol there as well. All three of them were awesome people. The company is a small family run company as well. You walk into the door, you're greeted by their dogs, which are beautiful dogs as well. So yeah, I'm super happy with it. I mean, look, it brightens up the inside of the van so much. Couple of things as well that I've noticed so far, because I have had it back a day or so before being able to film this. Obviously my children now, when they sit in the back of the van, can see outside, so that's good for them. Massive bonus I've noticed whilst driving is that obviously like changing lanes on the motorway, and it just gets rid of two huge blind spots in the van. So just from an ease of driving and a safety point of view, I've already felt like that's benefited me. I had the carpet on the inside of this window. I'll show you now. Yeah, this panel was carpeted before I gave it to them. and they've gone round and sorted the edging out absolutely perfectly. Like, it is neat, way neater than I could have done it, so appreciate that. So like I say, all in all, I am super happy with the windows. I'm glad I went for the 2. I'm glad I went for privacy, and I'm glad I went to Van Window Specialist in Castleford because they were awesome. I will leave a link to their website in the description, and if you're anywhere near West Yorkshire, go and see them. I know other people who've had windows done on T5s and things like that, and they've all come out amazing. So thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this video at all, please hit the like button, give me a subscribe, write me a comment, tell me what you think, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.